Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Rich Haircut Professional. After long time, we bring back again for most demandable haircut round layers. And as you see, something sprayed like volume spray, which is can styling, long lasting for flexible and round layer sectioning. Just we're going to be take. And apart from that, lot more things we're going to be significant techniques we're going to learn in this haircut. So watch till the end, you comes to know complete of the video concept and step by step got explained detailedly in this video. So I hope you all are enjoyed the previous videos and must understand about the haircut concepts and all. If you have any requirements or queries or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely look and please watch till the end, you comes to know exactly haircut video how it will be completed. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before starting to this video, I would like to request, if you want to join my channel page and if you want to consistently watch updated new video, please subscribe to my channel. Every time will be get notifications. And now we'll just all the sections got separated. I'm just going to be explain help up through the comb, all the sections and all the sides and the back also. Apart from that, let's get started completely. We can just start to the haircut step by step. Just before going to be add the layers, we're just going to be give it one length basic haircut. So one length basic haircut is majorly which can be give it consistency. So the one length basic is majorly important, and the rest of the damaged bottom parts after also it will be eliminated out. And when we remove the damaged part, the haircut looks very good and enhanced to the complete of the look and as well. After that, slightly cross checked, and now I'm just taking to the center profile and lifting up them exactly 140 degree and just adding layers with elbow, and rest of the hair dropping down and remaining to that elevation part, we just adding the layers. Length will be going to be saved in this, and what and all rest of the hair it's got fall, and that could be a base length will going to be saved it. And the small section we just picking and adding slightly picking up to that 120 to 140 degrees and adding the layers. According to the layers, we just giving something a base foundation on the bottoms, and end of the day the hair layers visible is very thick and clean, and finishing it looks so professional. And that things we just consistently for following all the sides, the parameter of the hair. After that, I'll come to another side, the same and stationary guideline pick from this previous side, and as it is following the same way of elevating the layers step by step, thin sections. And one more section, it will be going to be finished to complete the back portions of the layers. And after that, I'm just going to cross check. I'm cross checking now. And another side too. After that, I'll come to the side portion. The side portion also just giving before start the layer, giving like one length basic, which can be the carry forward the base fundamental of the hair length, and top of that add the layers. As thin section we just picked and adding the layers. So these things will be consistently how much ever you will be get the hair thin section. When you just take it, the end results will be look so awesome, and small sections will be give a proper finishing of the layers. And you'll be after finishing the blow dry and all, you can just see the completely flip out the layers in each and everything. After that I'm cross checking, and after that I'll come to again another side. The same technique the previous way, which previous said whatever we followed, the same thing we following this side too. So please let me know in the comments below how was the complete of the technique of the haircuts and sectionings, each and everything. And after that, stationary guideline, pick from the back and just adding and merging in the layers, thin sections step by step. So if you're looking forward something affiliate program, also if you want to buy something like salon tools or any other things, please go to the description below. There is mentioned in the link below. You can check it out of there. You'll be get to know all the notifications. And after that I'm just cross checking this side too. And finally I'm going to be release the center crown hair. In this section I'm just taking pretty much interestingly with section by section, pivotingly I'm just traveling in this. Never going to be take with a vertical section at all. You can just see short to long I'm just connecting and just saving the top ground layers, hair length, on top of that adding the layers. As you see in the center profile is connected and each and every side is traveling by the center. You can see that the changing of the elevation way. One more section is got remain. So that is last section will be going to be finished. After that I'll come to another side, the same previous side whatever is followed, the same technique I'm following up. The last section will be going to finish. And after that I'll come to the fringe sections. The fringe cut and bangs is majorly important for give it complete finishing of the layers. So rest of the access part is cut it off, and I'm just taking as complete the fringe according to the hair length, just adding this short to long fringes step by step, thin section, and just picking and just adding the fringes and layers. So now cut got finished. Now we'll just blow up with natural messy hair. After blowing I'm showing to client, and after that I'm starting the styling. And giving with all the hair in spiral blow dry. After that I started to the another side. After that I'll come to the side portion. After that another side. After that I come to the crown portion. After that last fringe section going to be finished the blow dry. So this is a complete of the finishing of the round layers. And the last final finishing, you can just see the flexible and shiny and glossy finishing, and its looking was completely bouncy and volume on the hair completely, and looking so blushy and so soft in the layers. And this is after complete of the last finishing of the haircut of the round layers. And in this crown portion we use something different crown techniques on the crown portions. And after that you can just see in front frames also, and complete of the looking was completely bouncy and finishing was completely got changed, and both the sides looking different, and always it's coming up to the more bouncy and the straight finishing on the bottoms. On top of that is carrying the layers. So this is concept of the round layers, which can be significantly be managing in step by step and thin sections. After that we just adding a texture.